prompt example I want to teach you is how to write a professional email using Microsoft Copilot. So we'll use the GCSE formula, the goal, context, source, expectation formula, and it goes as follow. I am in Microsoft Copilot, and I'll make sure that I am in creative mode. So Copilot is a little bit more creative, and my prompt goes as follows. So the goal, hello Copilot, can you draft me an email? The context, the email shall be a draft to send to Mr. Musk. He is a client who has placed an order and I would like you to help me thank him for his order. And then the expectation, I expect you to write a very professional email because Mr. Musk has made a complaint before. We'll submit it to Copilot. And Copilot comes up with a very professional email because that's what we asked him. It says, certainly here's a professional draft for your email to Mr. Musk. Subject, thank you for your order. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to express our sincere gratitude for your recent order with us. And then Copilot also added, we understand that you have had concerns in the past, and I want to reassure you that we have taken every step to ensure that your order is processed. So Copilot is really careful with all the elements we asked in the prompt. And then I will just add a few more items. So I will send another prompt to Copilot that goes as follows. I will first ask Copilot, can you validate the mistakes in this email, please? This is something I ask very often to Copilot. And I will add, also, I would like you to add 3 elements on a bullet points format. First, please give 10% discount to the next 3 orders of Mr. Musk, and please come up with 2 other elements so Mr. Musk is satisfied. I'll hit submit, and I want to highlight the changes that Copilot did with this prompt. So here we are, here is Copilot answer. It says, thank you for your order, and then it added the special considerations. And then here we go, we keep reading, and then we see the 3 bullet points that we actually asked to Copilot, a 10% discount on the next 3 orders, and the 2 elements I asked Copilot to add are as follow: priority processing for all of your future orders, and a dedicated custom service liaison. Isn't this beautiful? And then Copilot also took into account the grammar correction. It says the grammar in your original email was already correct, so no changes were needed. Of course, it was Copilot that wrote this previous email, so no mistakes. The video you just watched is part of my course, Microsoft Copilot Essentials from AI Beginner to Proficient. If you found it helpful, check out the full course for more in-depth tutorials and exclusive tips to get better results with Copilot. Link is right here on the screen and in the description below.